Hi, I'm Emery Brown, Marketing Director for GNEM Energy Materials, the largest U.S. manufacturer and total solution provider of lithium-ion battery separators. I am here at the Battery Show in North America in Detroit, Michigan, alongside a number of our outstanding team here. We are here to showcase GNEM's diverse product portfolio and innovative solutions. Founded in 2023 in Dearborn, North Carolina, just outside Charlotte, GNEM was launched with a $140 million investment, which includes a 534,000 square foot manufacturing facility that, when fully completed, will have 20 separator production lines, able to reach an annual capacity of 2 billion meters squared per year, or really equivalent to just about 370,000 football fields. Our diverse product portfolio serves the electric vehicle, energy storage system, and consumer electronic markets, along with a number of other smaller niche markets here in North America, engineered for high safety and high performance. Our engineered performance is achieved through advanced coating solution on the separator base films, which is at the core of what GNEM does. Our product portfolio spans 4 coating series. So first we have our ceramic coating series, which includes materials such as alumina, bohemite, along with a list of other coating options in the range of 0.5 to 5 microns. And they can come with small particles, sphericals, or nanofiber structures. This coating series is designed to enhance mechanical strength, safety, and thermal stability, while maintaining a low moisture content, low resistance, and shrinkage. Next, we have our polymer coating series, which includes materials such as PVDF, PMMA, polyethylene materials, along with a list of other coating options, again in the thickness range of 0.5 to 5 microns, and it can come as water-based or oil-based depending on your needs. This series is designed to enhance electrode adhesion, reducing overall cell impedance. Performance can be governed by multiple types of coating options, such as micro-roll, spray, and dot printing for precise performance control. Next, we have our membrane composite series, a hybrid solution comprising both ceramic and polymer to leverage the advantages of both. Options include single or double-sided coating, either as a single film with both ceramic and particles mixed together, or what we call a cop layer coating, with the polymer on top to enhance electrode adhesion, with a ceramic layer underneath to enhance safety and durability. Last, we have our membrane functional series, which is our advanced coating series, which includes coatings such as our armor-based synthetic fiber coating for ultra-high thermal stability. This can prolong cycle life and mitigate thermal runaway. This series also includes LACP, or lithium aluminum titanium phosphide solid electrolyte coatings for hybrid systems to further enhance safety and performance. As a total solution provider, GNEM works closely with its customers to tailor its products to meet their specific performance needs. Through rigorous R&D, safety validation, and cell testing, we ensure that our solutions meet the highest standards in quality, performance, and cost competitiveness. GNEM is committed to a greener, more sustainable future through resilient U.S. manufacturing, advanced battery technologies, and strong industry partnerships. We invite you to join us on our journey and follow us at LinkedIn at GNEM Energy Materials, or go to our website, www.gnem.com. Thank you.